We'll guide you through how to get Wix website help quickly and efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to wix.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Help option in the main menu. This will take you to the Wix Help Center, which is your go-to resource for finding answers to a wide range of questions. Here, you can either browse through the different categories like Getting Started, Domains, SEO, or Billing, or you can use the search bar at the top to type in specific keywords related to your issue. For example, if you're having trouble with your site's design, simply type Site Design and press Enter. The Help Center will then present you with a list of articles and tutorials tailored to your needs. If you prefer a more interactive method, scroll down to find the Contact Us option where you can reach out to Wix's customer support team. Choose your preferred method of contact, whether it's through email, chat, or scheduling a callback at a time that suits you. It's important to be as detailed as possible when describing your issue to ensure you get the most accurate assistance. For those who need immediate help, the live chat feature connects you directly with a support agent who can guide you in real time. Remember, the Wix Help Center is constantly updated with new content and the latest solutions, so it's worth checking back if you don't find what you need on your first visit. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.